Data tables help you create a sensitivity table of how your results might change based on the fluctuation of certain input variables. Data tables are really useful for seeing a range of results. Let's say we've got revenue, which is just price times volume, but we want to create a sensitivity table to see what will happen if we have sales volumes of 90, 100, or 110, and if we have prices of 8, 10, or 12. So what we can do is select that all and go to What If Analysis and choose Data Table. The row input cell is our price, because that's our row, what we've got on this row, and our column input cell is that volume that's being used in this equation here. So this equation is just C2 times C3. And our column input cell is that C3, since that's being changed down this column. And now we just press OK, and it will fill out automatically for us. For example, if price is 12 and volume is 110, we'll have revenue of 1,320. Data tables can slow down a workbook when the formula is a lot more complex than this one. So you may want to change your calculation options. You can do that by going to Formulas and choosing Calculation Options and keeping things as automatic, but except for data tables. Then when let's say we change something, let's say we change this to 7, it's not going to update unless we press the F9 key to update this worksheet. And there you go, we've got our new values. Note that the colors and formatting here were just for design and they don't impact how to use this tool.